everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Horizon online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.horizonbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official web page of Horizon Bank, you'll need to enter your login ID and password to access your online banking account. If you've not enrolled into online banking yet, click on the enroll link and follow the registration process. To log in, you'll need to enter your login ID in the first text box and type in a correct password on the next. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After filling in all of the details, click the Login button, and that is how you'll be able to access your Horizon Bank online banking account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.